Paul Merrick from TechVibes.com, covering the SES conference in Toronto. I'm with Melanie Martin from Microsoft, and the question I have for Melanie is, what's all the hype about Bing? Melanie?
Well, there's a lot of hype about Bing. Bing was actually designed based on a lot of consumer insights and research that Microsoft's been doing over the last couple of years on how consumers are searching, what they're looking for, where they're satisfied, where they're not satisfied. And some of the key insights that we've seen is that a lot of search engines are abandoned. There's a lot of dissatisfaction. The internet has grown in the last 12 years. The amount of information on the internet has exploded, but we're not necessarily evolving the way that we look for that information and how we categorize it. So what has happened with Microsoft, and we've taken the live search engine and now created Bing, is we've taken some of those insights and created a new user interface and functionality that we know and we hope consumers are going to find what they're looking for a little faster, better information a little sooner, and hopefully increase their satisfaction with search. So what I've pulled up here actually on Bing, which launched globally last week, and we've been receiving some excellent feedback here in Canada, is the query NHL. Very timely. Tonight's Game 6. No one knows where it's really going to go, although people probably say Detroit. And what you really see here is the way that we've categorized the search. So you'll see on the left-hand side, if you zoom up, you'll see Stanley Cup. And that's what we're calling the galleries, or the categorization, because the engine has pulled up, NHL is actually very timely. What's happening in the NHL right now? Well, the Stanley Cup is happening. What would you want to find out of the Stanley Cup? You'd want to see highlights from previous series. You'd want to see who won in 2009 in the series leading up to it. What's new? What are the videos? And if you actually go through, all of these things are categorized right within the UI. So if you click on videos, it brings you right to the videos. And if you scroll over, we actually stream the videos preview right within the UI for users. So they can take a look at the videos and determine, well, is that the highlight I was looking for? Is it the fight that I wanted to see? No, it isn't. Well, maybe I'll go down to the next one. Is that goal that I really wanted to see? Then you see we've also categorized all the images that you might want to pull up. And then we've actually got a feature here that allows you to scroll indefinitely through. No more page next, no more page next. And then if you actually take a look on the left, we can take a look at layout. If you want to look at a specific color, you can go into just black and white for you. All meant to alleviate frustration, allow consumers to find what they're looking for a little bit sooner, a little bit faster, and also easier and less cluttered for them. If I want to go right back up, I'm back to the beginning. We pull up what we would call our best match. So the engine goes through and says, what is the best possible match for that query? NHL.com is the right choice. We've got deep links in here. If you want to know what's going on with one of these teams, we actually deep link right into Detroit Red Wings. Very timely again. Takes you right there. No more having to scroll down for 10, 15 teams. If you want to learn a little bit more about what's happening over here, we've got what we call the hover preview. It allows you to take a look at what's happening on that site, read a little bit about it, find out if that's a site you really want to go to. All meant to make things happen for you faster and alleviate that back and forth. So that's just a little quick overview of what we're all really excited about with Bing.
So when is Bing going to close down Google?
Great question. It's the first step to be bringing out new options for consumers, and we're really just hoping that consumers try it out, provide feedback. We're always looking for honest feedback, how it's working for you, how to make it better, and give consumers more choices on how to find things on the internet.
Perfect. Thanks for your time, Melanie.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.